Alright, it is rescue time. We gotta go pull out a tractor that got stuck into a ditch. So we got the rescue Jeep going. It's a little whiny this morning, but that's okay, so am I. Got rescue puppy, she's gonna come with us and join us for the adventure, and we're gonna go pull out a tractor, I guess. Look at all the snow we got. This is about 8 inches of snow we got in a 24-hour period. There's the stuck tractor. Doesn't look like she's too stuck in there. Well, it's not too badly stuck in there. I think probably not going to need the winch. Just use the strap to pull her out and should be enough. I don't know if it's going to really take a whole lot to pull her out. So those tow hooks on the back of my Jeep, those are actually taking off of early 2000s Blazer off the front and bolting them into there so they're nice and solid onto there. Great tow point, I love them. Alright. See if we can pull her out. Hopefully we don't drag her too further into there. Whoa. Nope, that ain't working. Alright, so the towing out did not do her. Obviously, that thing is a lot more stuck and a lot heavier than what the Jeep is. So we got a 9,500 pound winch on the front of this thing, Champion winch, which actually works out really well. We pulled it out with this thing before, so we'll give that a shot and see if we can drag her out with the winch. Alright, let's try her with the winch. It's basically just dragging me forward. So that's not a good sign. Oh, there we go. Making some headway now. It needs to turn those wheels a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Turn them a little bit so we can actually pull them out instead of just pulling them straight. Come on. You need to work with me. Just pulling it straight into there. Maybe I can pull her out from the front now. Be able to work. It looks like we're pulling in the right direction anyways. No, stop spinning, stop spinning. Let the winch catch up. The second you start spinning, you start digging down, and you don't want to dig down. It's coming out. We got a bite on her now. That's one thing. This Jeep needs the high RPMs to run this winch. It does not have a big enough alternator. It just wants to die off right away. But she's out, so cool. So I like doing little recoveries like this. That little 9,500 pound winch on that Jeep has done actually really well. We pulled out cars, trucks, quads, everything in the last few years, and the thing just keeps on going. So props to them.